Dad, I need your help right now.
What happened? Is everything okay?
Yes, but I have a serious problem.
A serious problem? What happened?
I want to order my favorite pizza, but I don't know what to say on the phone in English.
That's not a problem. It's the perfect chance to practice English.
Really? So I can order pizza and improve my English at the same time?
Exactly. Let's make the call together.
Awesome. Let's call Pizza Corner.
Good evening. Thank you for calling Pizza Corner. This is Emily speaking. How may I help you today?
Hi, Emily. I'd like to place a delivery order, please.
I'd be happy to help. What would you like to order?
I'd like one large pepperoni pizza and one medium margarita pizza.
Great choice. What kind of crust would you like? We have thin, regular, and stuffed crust.
Regular crust for both pizzas, please.
Sure. Would you like to add any extra toppings?
Yes, please. I'd like extra cheese on the pepperoni pizza.
Absolutely. Anything else for today?
Yes. I'd also like one order of garlic bread, 8 chicken wings, and 2 cans of cola.
Perfect. Let me repeat your order. 1 large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese, 1 medium margarita pizza, 1 garlic bread, 8 chicken wings, and 2 cans of cola. Is everything correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Your total comes to $34.95. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by card when the delivery arrives.
No problem. May I have your delivery address, please?
Sure. 1258 Maple Street, Apartment 8B, Dallas, Texas 75201.
Thank you. And may I have your phone number?
Yes. 214-555-9136.
Thank you. Your order will arrive in about 30 to 35 minutes. You'll receive a text message when our driver is on the way.
Perfect. Thank you for your excellent service.
You're very welcome. Thank you for choosing Pizza Corner. Have a wonderful evening.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Dad, I can't wait. That pizza is going to taste amazing.
I know. Now let's set the table while we wait.
Great idea. Dinner is going to be delicious. 30 minutes? That feels like forever.
Good food is always worth the wait.
Dad, I think the pizza is here.
I'll get the door.
Good evening. Your order from Pizza Corner.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Have a great evening.
Wow, the whole house smells like pizza.
Let's make sure everything is here. 1 large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese. 1 medium margarita pizza. Garlic bread. Chicken wings. And 2 cans of cola. Looks like they got everything right.
Can I open the pizza box?
Go ahead, but be careful. It's still very hot.
Wow, look at all that melted cheese. This looks amazing.
Which one would you like first?
The pepperoni pizza. It's my favorite.
Great choice. I'll have the margarita.
Can we share both?
Of course. That way we can try both flavors.
Best idea ever. This is delicious.
I have to agree. The crust is crispy, and the cheese is perfect.
Thanks for ordering pizza tonight, Dad.
You're welcome, buddy. Sometimes the best evenings are the simple ones. Good food, good company, and happy moments together.
Dad, this was the best pizza night ever.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Remember, learning English is just like ordering pizza. The more you practice, the better you get.
So next time, I will order the pizza myself in English.
That's the spirit. Keep practicing and soon you'll speak English with confidence.
I can't wait for our next English conversation.
Great job. You just learned a real-life English conversation. Practice this dialogue and use these sentences in your daily life. For more simple and practical English lessons, subscribe to VS English. Keep practicing, keep speaking. See you in the next lesson.